everyone, Bellissimo Fashions Group. I'm very happy to be with you today. Today we're going to talk about something new, something for the beginners in the class here. I'm particular about beginners because I want to take everybody from the start. I want us to learn how to take measurements today. Now this process is inside my DVD, and so you can have it at home when you're watching it. As for the DVD I talked about the last time, yes, pick your copy. This is the volume 2, and here is the volume 1, but I'll still go into more details about this later on. Let's learn how to take accurate measurements today. First, we're going to be taking her measurement. Now, one of the things you need to take note while taking measurements is to ensure that you're walking in front of the mirror for your clients. At this point in time, you want her to be seeing herself in the mirror. The reason why you have to do this is because this is what I do. You're looking for her ball joint here and her ball joint here, and whatever that measurement gives you is her measurements for the back. Now, going forward, we have two different types of measurements. We have the measurement by length and we have the measurement by circumference. What I mean by the measurement by length is everything from her shoulder all the way down. That's what we refer to as measurement by length. Measurement by circumference means everything I have to do around her body like this is what we refer to as measurement by circumference. So for her measurement by length, I'm going to be doing this. Here, you know when I used to talk about, okay, let's talk to them. I used to talk about upper bust, under bust. Okay, so here is her upper bust. Her upper bust is around this axis, where the midpoint of her crack is. Okay, so her upper bust on this particular auntie has measuring 8. The second measurement for her bust point, please help me touch on your bust point. Bust point. Where is your bust point? Okay, it's measuring 11. I'm asking her to touch it because I'm not expected to touch that place for her. Ensure that she's the one touching it herself. Now her under bust point here is measuring 14. Please let me take that again. Length for her upper bust measurement is measuring at 8. Length for her bust point here is measuring at 10. Length for her under bust is measuring at 14 inches here. Now measurement for her waist, her half length, she can use 16, she can use 17. Measurement for the length of her dress, this particular white blouse on her is measuring at 23. You see the way I took the measurement, that's how you're expected to take a measurement by length. Anything that's required for the length axis. On her sleeve, we do this. Measurement by length for the sleeve is here, up to wherever she wants it to. On this blouse, it's measuring at 6 inches or 6.5 inches. Now her half length is measuring at 13. Her full length up to the wrist is measuring at 23 and a half. And that's how we take the measurement of the axis. For the circumference version, we have them at, for the circumference version, we have them differently. It's measured around the body. Upper bust here is measuring 33. Her bust points, see how I'm walking on the side. Avoid walking in front of your clients. So you're not touching places you're not expected to be touching. Those are serious no-nos while taking your measurement. Ensure you're walking on the side all the time. So her bust point is 33 on the measurement for the bust. Then that of the under bust here is measuring 27. See how I've taken the measurement for the bust area? I took the length and I took the circumference of the body. Now let's work on her waist. Her waist measurement for circumference here is measuring 27 inches. Can you see that? 27 inches. Okay. Then her Circumference for the hip version is measuring 36 inches. Please, in all, I didn't do something, and I deliberately didn't do it. In fact, you're not even expected to do that. When you're taking measurements, some people go this way. It's very wrong. You don't go doing this. That's seriously wrong. When I wanted to take the bust, I stood on the bust area, or I placed my measurements on the bust area, and I was just firm. See, I have only one finger on the inside there. It means I'm going to be as accurate as possible. When I'm taking her under bust, I don't go doing like this, start going up and down. You will never get it if you're doing that. So, correct it if you're one of those that do that. Take the accurate measurement. The exact measurement is better. When you need to add seam allowance, let your seam allowance be added when you are on your cutting table, not when you're taking your measurements. For length version now, we have the length up to this place for her blouse. If she's making a dress, we have the length up to the knee, or we have the length all the way down. Depending on what she wants to do, these are ways you can take your measurements. I've showed you how to take your measurement by length. I've showed you how to take your measurement by circumference. So the next time I do a tutorial and I say my length is this, my length is that, you know what I'm talking about. Going forward, it's time to talk about the DVD. Please, it is not a book. So many people have been calling and saying, I want to buy the book, I want to buy the book. It is a practical sewing guide on DVD. It is not a book. You also call at very odd hours. Be nice. I am not the one picking the phone calls. I have staffs. And you people are calling by 3 a.m., 2 a.m. in the night. Check our time frame. Try and see if the person will at least anything from 6 o'clock. Don't need to call us again. Let it be the next day, so that you let that person picking the call also rest too. It's not me, because many times like people pick the call, my staff pick the call and they're like, ma, they're calling us at around 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock in the night. Some of my staffs are married, and when you're calling them at home, they have their lives to live now. Please. Call at office hours and come in to pick your DVDs. They are available in school and so many. Come around. A lot of people, some have already gotten their deliveries already. People from Abuja, if you've gotten your delivery, thank you very much for ordering our CD. People from Onitsha, yes, some delivery went last week. Abuja, Onitsha, Katsina, Yobe, Ibadan, Shagamu. Yes, those are places people have been requesting for our DVDs. Thank you very much for requesting for them. Our second edition is coming out very soon. But before then, get this one and start working. This year, no dolly. It's Valerie Bogle. Thanks for watching.